Morning people, here we will show you about our product that you will not ever see before, that is parking assist system. So at first, do you know that in Indonesia, based on BPS data, cars number in Indonesia is growing continuously. Unfortunately, the parking facilities is still in constant number. It causes the parking areas availability rate is decreasing. The problem is when it reach maximum capacity, we are pretty sure that it leads to increasing the probability of car accidents. The fact is 80% car accidents in parking area was occur because car driver cannot identify object at their blind spot. So, how we can minimize the probability of parking lines accident which occur because of the car's driver's inability to see the car's blind spot in Indonesia?
So based on the National Safety Council's data, 8% of the car accidents in the parking line was occurred because of the car drivers cannot identify object and the blind spots around the car. Therefore, we like to allow the car drivers to see their blind spots. Besides, we also try helping car drivers to park by giving steer rotations and brake usage recommendations via audio and visual in order to ease the parking process based on the parking line's image feedback from the sensors. So we call it parking as a system.
Okay, so this is the hardware design. So there are 4 modules. The first module is data acquisition module. Second module is microcontroller module. The third module is user interface module. And the last module is power supply module. So here is in the screen, you can see the flow of the data and the power of our parking assist system. So the data is from data acquisition, will enter microcontroller module and vice versa. And then the data will flow to UI module and vice versa. And the power is supplied from power supply module to microcontroller module to user interface module, and microcontroller module will supply the power to data acquisition module.
Okay, next. So here is the system architecture. The system will receive 2 kinds of inputs. The first one is steering wheel rotation, which is captured from gyroscope sensor, and also parking lines image that is captured from camera. The parking lines image will be processed into car's orientation and the distance of the parking line data. This data will be compared to the steering wheel rotation in order to give the parking recommendation. Finally, the recommendation will be given via speaker and LCD touchscreen.
And this is how the user interface will look like. At the moment of parking, driver can choose the parking situation that he or she currently in from the main menu, shown in the left picture. After choosing, it will show you the picture on the right, which is the recommendation system. Parking assist system will give you the recommendation of steering wheel rotation and the brake usage via audio and visual. It also shows you the car blind spot for every side of the car's body. So what are you waiting for? Grab it now and make your parking experience a pleasant experience.